Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a update once again for Firefox. If you are a Mozilla Firefox user, there's a small update. It's not security, it's really bug fixes once again. The new version seems to be a little more buggy at 106. So, of course, I see complaints of some people with some video playback and stuff. But anyways, here's the thing. If you go to the upper right corner hamburger menu, go down into Help, and then go into About Firefox, you will be updated to 106.0.4. So what does that fix? It fixes a problem with DRM video playback that apparently had issues. Fixes a broken layout of datetime input when switching types, apparently, whatever that means. And it fixes a crash experienced by some users during media playback. So if you had some issues, maybe try to update once again to the latest version, 106.0.4. Once again, no security updates in here. It's really bug fixes. If you use Firefox all the time, it will be updated pretty much automatically. But you might want to check out and update yourself to see if it actually works. So it seems that Firefox 106, and you know, I see this steady amount of people that tell me that their Firefox browser seems to have some problems lately. I'm not sure exactly as to what that is all about. It's interesting to see that, especially, and most people complain about the video playbacks like on YouTube and Netflix and things like that. So it's kind of something is definitely probably happening. So check it out. Once again, some bug fixes for Firefox 106. And maybe that's going to help you out with your own problems you have on Firefox. If you have any, another thing that I would suggest, by the way, those having issues, maybe completely uninstalling Firefox and reinstalling, downloading it from the website, the Mozilla website, and reinstalling it fresh maybe could help if you have issues. Maybe that's something you could try. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.